To replace any components of the remote, the only thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver, a really small one. There are 4 screws in the back of the remote, so unscrew them. Then you can take off the back of the remote. And you will see the battery. You can disconnect the battery by pressing. So you need to make sure to press the white connector on the top of it. To remove the battery from the PCB, press the white connector and pull. The battery is connected with sticky tape, so you really have to firmly grab the battery and take it out of there. Then you can replace the battery with a new battery by placing it there with some sticky tape again and connect the connector. If you want to replace the outer shell of the battery, you can take out the PCB like this, and then all the components are replaceable. So lay the old ones away and take the new ones. Place your PCB in the remote again, attach the battery, connect the battery to the PCB again, take your new back part of the battery, of the remote, and press it all together, and then take your screws and place them back in the remote, and then you have a completely new outer shell of your remote. Let's see if it's working again, and that's the case. It connects to the fan box.